Hello and good day. This one is Range Rover Sports V8 4.2 from 2006. Currently we are going to replace its starting battery. We have placed the backup battery. We are going to install F18 85AH in this model. It is according to the bucket dimension of previously installed battery, and it is according to manufacturer's opinion to install F18 Varta in this model. Now you can see the terminals are clamped. उस गाड़ी को बताना होता है कि हमने अभी बैटरी इसकी रिप्लेस किया है, तो वो सारे फॉल्ट कोड निकाल देती है और फिर उसकी चार्जिंग भी नॉर्मल आ जाती है। तो वो आपको गाड़ी, हाँ जी, वो बिल्कुल आप गाड़ी लेके आएंगे मेरे पास।
इतनी खुशी होती है गाड़ी को फॉल्ट ना हो।
अब्दुर्रहमान वाजिद। As you can see, all of the fault codes are now gone and vehicle is healthy. Thanks for watching, Watsons.